Episode 2: How to Build Product Pages That Dominate Search Results Without Wasting Ad Dollars. Welcome back to the SEO Playbook, e-commerce edition. I'm Jerry, and if you listened to our first episode, you now understand why Google Ads can be like feeding a hungry monster that never gets full. It just keeps eating your money without giving you the results you deserve. Today, we're going to flip the script completely. We're going to talk about how to get those top spots on Google the right way, through strategic product page optimization and category targeting. And I'm not talking about some complicated technical mumbo-jumbo that requires a computer science degree to understand. I'm talking about a simple, systematic approach that actually works for e-commerce stores. But before we dive in, let me tell you a quick story. Last week, I got an email from a client. Let's call her Maria the Candle Maker. The subject line just said, "Jerry, my organic traffic tripled this month. What did you do to my website?" Now, Maria had been spending $125 a day on Google Shopping ads for 8 months, getting maybe 15 to 20 orders a week. But after we implemented the product page optimization strategy I'm about to share with you, she started getting 15 to 20 orders a day from organic search. And the best part? Not a single penny of that traffic cost her anything in ad spend. So buckle up, because what you're about to learn could completely transform your e-commerce business. Why everything you think you know about product pages is wrong. Let me start with a reality check that might sting a little bit. If you've been creating product pages by just uploading a few photos, writing a basic description, and hoping for the best, you've been leaving money on the table. Here's why. Google isn't the same search engine it was 5 years ago or even 2 years ago. It's gotten scary smart about understanding products, customer intent, and what makes a quality e-commerce experience. We're talking artificial intelligence, machine learning, and product understanding that would make Amazon jealous. The old school approach, the one where you'd copy product descriptions from your supplier and call it a day, those don't just not work anymore, they can actually hurt you. Google's algorithm is sophisticated enough to recognize duplicate content, thin descriptions, and low-quality product pages, and it will bury you for it. So what does work? I'm glad you asked. The one product, one purpose revolution. Here's the foundation of modern e-commerce SEO, and it's so simple it's almost embarrassing that more people don't do it. You create dedicated pages that target one specific product for one specific customer need. That's it. That's the secret sauce. Let me give you an example. Instead of having a generic product page that just says, lavender soap, $12.99, you create targeted pages like, organic lavender soap for sensitive skin, natural relaxation. Handmade lavender soap bar, perfect for evening bath routine. Premium French lavender soap, luxury skincare gift set. Each page is laser-focused on one specific product variation targeting one specific customer need. No confusion, no dilution, just pure, concentrated relevance. Think of it like this. If you were looking for the perfect soap for your sensitive skin, would you rather buy from a store that specializes in sensitive skin products? Or a place that sells soap, shampoo, kitchen gadgets, and also apparently does tax preparation? The specialist wins every time. The product title optimization sweet spot. Now here's where a lot of e-commerce store owners mess up. They think product optimization means cramming every possible keyword into their product title until it sounds like it was written by someone having a stroke. Organic, natural, handmade, artisan, premium, luxury lavender, essential oil aromatherapy, relaxing, calming, moisturizing, anti-aging soap bar for sensitive, dry, oily, all skin types, men, women gift set. Nope. That's not how this works. The sweet spot for product titles is being descriptive and keyword-rich while still sounding natural and appealing to actual humans. Remember, real people have to read these titles and want to click on them. Here's a better approach. Organic lavender soap bar. Handmade with essential oils for sensitive skin, 4 ounces. See the difference? We've included the main keywords: organic, lavender, soap, handmade, essential oils, sensitive skin. but in a way that actually makes sense and sounds appealing to someone who might want to buy this product. The 5 essential elements of a product page that actually converts. All right, now we're getting to the good stuff. Every product page you create needs these 5 elements, and I mean needs them. Miss one, and you're leaving money on the table. Element number 1, the hero product image, Google's visual feast. Here's something most people don't realize. Google can actually see and understand your product images now. When you upload high-quality product photos with proper file names and alt text, you're essentially giving Google a reason to show your products in image search results and Google Shopping. But here's the key. It can't just be any image. Your main product photo needs to be clean, professional, and show the product clearly against a white or neutral background. Think Amazon quality product photography. I had a jewelry maker in California who was struggling to get her handmade earrings to show up in search results. Her product photos were artistic and beautiful, but they were shot against busy backgrounds with dramatic lighting. When we switched to clean, simple product photos with proper optimization, her products started appearing in Google Shopping results within 2 weeks. Element number 2, the detailed product description, mind reading for SEO. This is where you get to be a mind reader. What questions do people have when they're considering buying your product? What are they worried about? What do they want to know before they add it to their cart? Here are some examples for our lavender soap. What ingredients are in this soap? Is this safe for sensitive skin? How long does one bar last? What does it smell like? Is this soap moisturizing or drying? And here's the SEO magic trick. Work your target keywords into the answers naturally. Instead of just saying, "This soap is moisturizing," say, "Our organic lavender soap provides deep moisturization for dry skin while the natural essential oils promote relaxation during your evening skincare routine." Element number 3, product specifications and details. The trust builder. Your product specifications need to be comprehensive and detailed. This isn't just about SEO. It's about building trust with potential customers and giving Google clear signals about what you're selling. Include details like dimensions and weight, materials and ingredients, care instructions, country of origin, certifications, organic, cruelty-free, etc. Shipping information. The more detailed and accurate your product information, the more likely Google is to show your products for relevant searches. Element number 4, customer reviews and social proof, the conversion accelerator. Customer reviews aren't just nice to have. They're a ranking factor for e-commerce sites. Google wants to see that real people are buying your products and having positive experiences. But it's not just about having reviews. It's about having recent reviews, responding to reviews, and encouraging customers to leave detailed feedback about their experience with your products. Element number 5, related products and cross-selling, the revenue multiplier. This one's a no-brainer for revenue, but it's also great for SEO. When you link to related products on each product page, you're helping Google understand the relationships between your products and keeping visitors on your site longer. For our lavender soap example, you might link to lavender essential oil, natural loofah sponges, other organic soap varieties, skincare gift sets, the category page strategy that supercharges your product SEO. Now here's where we're going to add some rocket fuel to your e-commerce SEO strategy. Strategic category page optimization combined with targeted product collections. Most e-commerce stores treat their category pages like afterthoughts. Here's all our soap, here's all our candles, here's all our whatever. That's not strategic. That's just organizing your inventory. Here's how to do it right. The customer intent category strategy. Create category pages that target specific customer needs and shopping intentions. For example, organic soap for sensitive skin, natural skincare solutions, luxury bath products, premium spa experience at home, eco-friendly cleaning products, sustainable home care, handmade gifts under $25, unique artisan products. Each category page should be 800 to 1,200 words. Include your target keywords naturally and provide genuine value to shoppers. Don't just list products. Give people information they can actually use to make better purchasing decisions. The geographic targeting game changer. Here's where it gets really interesting for e-commerce businesses. You can create location-specific landing pages and offers that target customers in specific geographic areas. Think about it. You can create pages like free shipping to Philadelphia, PA, on all organic soap orders. Texas residents love our natural skincare products. See why. California's favorite eco-friendly bath products. Delivered fast. Each page targets customers in specific locations with relevant offers, shipping information, and content that speaks to their geographic needs. I have a client who sells organic pet food online. We set up geographic landing pages for major cities, each with specific shipping offers and content about why pet owners in that area choose organic food. His conversion rate increased by 40% because customers felt like the store was specifically designed for them. The Google Merchant Center Optimization Strategy. Now, some people hear about Google Merchant Center and they panic. Won't Google think I'm trying to manipulate the system? They ask. The answer is no, as long as you do it right. Google Merchant Center isn't about gaming the system. It's about providing Google with accurate, detailed information about your products so they can show them to the right customers. Here's the difference. Poor Merchant Center optimization. Bad. Generic product titles copied from suppliers. Minimal product descriptions. Poor quality or missing images. Incorrect categorization. Missing or inaccurate product data. Strategic Merchant Center optimization. Good. Detailed, keyword-rich product titles. Comprehensive product descriptions. High-quality, optimized product images. Accurate product categorization. Complete product attributes and specifications. For example, instead of a product title like soap, lavender, toy 4 ounces, you'd optimize it to organic lavender essential oil soap bar for sensitive skin. Handmade natural skincare, 4 ounces. The product schema. Markup secret weapon. Here's an advanced strategy that most e-commerce stores completely ignore. Product schema markup. Schema markup is code you add to your product pages that acts like a translator between your website and Google's robots. It's like handing Google a detailed product catalog that says exactly what you're selling, how much it costs, whether it's in stock, and what customers think about it. Without schema markup, Google has to guess what your product pages are about. With schema markup, you're telling Google exactly what it needs to know to show your products in rich search results. Here's a real example. I had a client who was selling handmade jewelry online. Her product pages looked great and had good content, but they weren't showing up in Google shopping results. When I looked at her code, there was no product schema markup. Google couldn't tell if she was selling jewelry, writing about jewelry, or just someone who collected jewelry photos. We added proper product schema markup that clearly identified her products, prices, availability, and customer ratings. Within 4 weeks, her products started appearing in Google shopping results and her organic traffic increased by 180%. The blog content strategy that drives product sales. Your e-commerce blog isn't just about driving traffic, it's about driving sales. But most e-commerce businesses treat their blog like a random collection of industry tips and company updates. Here's how to create blog content that actually sells products. The problem-solution product post formula. Instead of writing generic posts like 5 benefits of organic soap, write posts that address specific problems your customers have and naturally lead to your products. Why your skin feels tight after showering, and how to fix it. The hidden chemicals in commercial soap that could be irritating your skin. How to create a relaxing evening skincare routine that actually works. Each post should identify a specific problem your target customers face. Provide valuable information and solutions. Naturally mention how your products solve that problem. Include clear calls to action to relevant product pages. Link to multiple related products throughout the content. The geographic content angle. Remember, you're not trying to rank nationally for soap tips. You're trying to attract customers who will actually buy your products. So make your blog content geographically relevant when it makes sense. Best skincare routine for dry winter weather in Chicago. Why Florida residents need extra moisturizing soap, protecting your skin from California's harsh sun and dry air. This approach does two things. It helps with geographic targeting, and it makes your content more relevant and trustworthy to customers in specific areas. The internal linking strategy. Everyone ignores. Before you spend thousands of dollars trying to get other websites to link to your products, make sure you're maximizing the power of the links you already control. Internal links. Internal linking is when you link from one page on your website to another page on your website. This helps Google understand which products are most important and can pass ranking power from your strongest pages to your newer or weaker pages. Here's a simple internal linking strategy for e-commerce. Link from your homepage to your best-selling product categories. Link from category pages to featured products. Link from product pages to related and complementary products. Link from blog posts to relevant product and category pages. Create gift guides and collections that link to multiple products. This won't replace the need for external backlinks, but it will help you maximize the value of the authority you do have. The conversion rate optimization that boosts SEO. Here's something most people don't realize. Conversion rate optimization doesn't just help you make more money from your existing traffic. It can actually improve your search rankings. Why? Because Google pays attention to user behavior signals. If people land on your product pages and immediately bounce back to the search results, Google interprets that as, this page didn't give them what they were looking for. But if people land on your pages and spend time browsing, adding products to cart, and making purchases, Google sees that as, this page is exactly what people want. Simple conversion improvements that also help SEO. Faster page loading times. Clear, prominent Add to Cart buttons. Detailed product information that answers common questions. High-quality product images from multiple angles. Customer reviews and social proof. Clear shipping and return policies. Common mistakes that kill e-commerce SEO and how to avoid them. Before we wrap up, let me share some mistakes I see e-commerce businesses make all the time. Mistake number 1. Duplicate product descriptions. Don't copy product descriptions from your suppliers or manufacturers. Google sees this as duplicate content and won't rank pages with identical descriptions. Mistake number 2. Ignoring mobile users. Over 60% of e-commerce traffic comes from mobile devices. If your product pages don't work perfectly on mobile, you're dead in the water. Mistake number 3. Thin product content. Don't create product pages with just a title, price, and Add to Cart button. Give Google something substantial to work with. Mistake number 4. Poor product images. Blurry, small, or unprofessional product photos hurt both your SEO and your conversion rates. Mistake number 5. No product variations. If you sell the same product in different colors, sizes, or styles, create separate pages for each variation to capture more specific searches. Your action plan for this week. All right, here's what I want you to do before our next episode. Pick your top 3 products. Choose the 3 products that make you the most money or have the highest profit margins. Audit their current pages. Look at these product pages on your phone and ask yourself if they clearly communicate what the product is and why someone should buy it. Optimize one product page. Pick one product and rewrite the title and description using the strategies we discussed today. Set up Google Merchant Center. If you haven't already, get your products listed in Google Merchant Center with detailed, optimized product information. Plan your first category page. Choose one customer need or product type and plan a comprehensive category page around it. What's coming next? In our next episode, we're going to dive deep into conversion optimization. Because getting traffic to your product pages is great, But getting that traffic to add products to their cart and actually complete purchases, that's where the real money is made. I'm going to show you the exact elements that turn website visitors into paying customers, including some psychological triggers that most e-commerce stores completely ignore. Look, e-commerce SEO isn't rocket science, but it does require a systematic approach. The businesses that succeed are the ones that understand that SEO is about being helpful, relevant, and trustworthy to both customers and search engines. When you create product pages that genuinely help people find exactly what they're looking for, when you provide detailed information and high-quality images, when you optimize your Google Merchant Center feed and create valuable content, that's when the magic happens. Remember, every day you're not implementing these strategies is another day your competitors might be getting ahead of you. But the good news is, most of your competitors probably aren't doing this stuff either, which means there's a huge opportunity for you to dominate your product categories. I'm Jerry. Thanks for listening to the SEO Playbook e-commerce edition, and I'll see you in the next episode where we're going to turn those website turn visitors into paying customers.